In this video, I'm sharing my top pros and cons of recruiting in the tech industry. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. Recruiting in the tech industry can be considered a major goal for a lot of recruiting agencies, and believe me, I can totally understand why. Ridiculous offer packages, a multitude of companies to work with, from startups to established organizations, as well as the thousands of companies that enter the tech industry every year. The money in the tech industry can be insane, which is why this is my #1 pro. My second pro is the variety of roles that you can actually recruit for within the tech industry. When most people think of tech, they instantly think of software development engineers. However, there are so many roles in tech that are just not centered around SDEs. Business intelligence engineers, data scientists, technical program managers, and user experience designers are just a few of the other roles that are available within the tech industry. This means that there are a variety of roles that you can focus on as a recruiting agency owner. My third pro is the flexibility that's associated with the industry. This is one of those industries where you can fill a few roles for the year and be set. However, it's really going to depend on what your income goals are. When it comes to the recruiting industry, there's really no limit in regards to how much income you can bring in. And recruiting within the tech industry can help you to hit your goals a lot faster. Now, if you have enjoyed this video so far and you have not subscribed to my channel, then be sure to take a break, go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my new videos that drop weekly. Now, on to the cons. While these may seem pretty straightforward, I do want to note that these cons can actually be pretty impactful. So my warning is, do not just take them with a grain of salt. Competition in the tech industry is extremely high. There are a lot of agencies out there that focus on tech or want to focus on tech. You want to ensure that you're actively working to find ways to stand out. What can you do differently? Or what do you do that's better than anyone else out there? Answering these questions will at least put you in a better position to be able to win. Con number 2 is that it can be tough for new recruiting agency owners to get a contract signed within the tech industry. Keep in mind, I did not say that it's impossible, but it can be pretty hard. Most companies within the tech industry are looking for the best of the best when it comes to talent, and they want to make sure that they work with a company that they feel is well equipped in order to bring them the best talent. So oftentimes, if you're just starting out, it can be hard to communicate your value. The best way to combat this is to stay true to who you are. You know what you bring to the table, and understand that you may get a lot of no's before you actually get a yes. Just keep pushing and know that eventually you will land a contract and be able to get it in place. It just may take some time. Last but not least, my third con is sort of related to what we're seeing happening now within the economy. Tech companies tend to have very ambitious goals, and when we get into situations where the economy may seem a little bit iffy, one of the first things that they'll do is they will reduce headcount. This means layoffs and hiring freezes. Now, while this is not true for every tech company, you do want to make sure that you do keep this in mind from a strategy perspective from the very beginning, because ultimately, if there is layoffs or hiring freezes, it can affect your business. Well, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as if you have not joined my Facebook group, be sure to do that. We are in there talking all things recruiting. I'll leave that link down below in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.